Hopefully it's not a disciple. I hate these in tier 2. Just consistent bullet sponges. Because they always regenerate. Could have done a Whoopus Dash, but I really want Pack 2. Oh, that's not bad either. And a Willow Tree stopped the whole truck. Amazing. Kaz was working on camels. That's what I'll be doing solo mainly for. I don't really play with other people anyway. But trying to start doing that a little more. Trying to get out of my antisocial part of my life. Trying to be more outgoing-ish. Alright. That's good. Got that.
Contract located.
Ooh. Upstairs. The only reason why I don't like third person. Can't see all the little stuff. Yeah. Oh, you weren't even close.
That ugly troublemaker I just tagged for you. Copy?
Alright, how fast can I do this? Okay. Oh, it's a Mimic. That's not bad. So far, that's a good find. So will it be enough for tier 5? I hope so. I really hope so. I'm assuming we're doing tier 5. It should be enough. I can take the Jeep.
Get one neutralized.
Give them a nice
Shield. Man.
The old-fashioned, old school, Old Testament way.
Okay. Horrible loot, man. F4.
Moving to my mark.
that. Going to the
I'm
rescue.
driving.
PhD blueprint. I don't need PhD blueprint. I basically have all the schematics already. So I really don't need the blueprints. People are willing to give up whatever, just get revived. I throw them money, especially if I need a schematic, but most of the time I just give them whatever. You are over here. Hello. You want to hop in the car?
Let's move. Don't be killed.
Oh boy. Nope. Nope.
Energy mine on. Get up. Let's not kill.
Since I have a chance.
I'm driving.
Nope. Don't have a chance. Well, there's a bunch of people over here. I might have to drop my knives. Oh, I got decoys. Pretty good. I hope. So no dog comes around. No. Did he go down again? Oh, I must have went down again. Yeah, you must have.
Watch your fire. Change of man.
Yeah, I'll join. Nope.
Moving.
I'll attempt to get this guy. I don't know how well I'll do. Hello. It's so weak. I am dropping this. Oh, is he still over there?
Moving to my mark.
Marking contact.
Convenient. Oh yeah, dude. No armor, you go right down. So quick. It's not even funny. and bite him. Alright. Hopefully this does not turn off in-game wise.
Find out what happened to him. There's nothing to be done for the phone. Activate PNP. Finish their work.
Hopefully.
The lifestyle not yet.
Oh, I need ammo. That's not good.
Let's move.
I am out. I am outie. I am very outie. I have some nice settings.
Taking back. Hostiles.
Oh god.
Command should be.
Nope.
All this data should keep forever occupied and out of my hair.
Take your fire.
Marking contract.
Anything. I need another gun. Like,
Commander, remember those
badly
HVT
need
samples
another
you
gun.
wanted to report on? Well, they are, I think they are responsible for atmospheric energy. Doubtless drones are reporting anomalies, too. Can only mean one thing. Strike team, unless you plan on storm chasing, you better start thinking about exfil.
Oh boy.
We'll hunker down to hold that cash. Ready up for a gunfight.
I really wish this could load faster.
Heads up, Deadpool.
Okay.
You've got shamblers inbound your position.
Really, you run so much slower at that. It's not even funny. Ooh, hello. Nah.
Well, Actual to strike team. Locate and recover Dr. Jansen. No diversions.
Coming up in your AO. Stand by to take
Oh, that's a big mood. Oh no. Oh no.
Moving here. Moving.
He rumbles.
Reloading.
I can't even use my power up. What the heck? Oh no. Cool.
And their survival rate.
Chaos wins. Time to collect your winnings.
Another sigil. Okay.
Oversized hostile neutralized. What's the point?
Can't even use my power up. What the heck? Oh, the guy died.
Got a valuable here. Reloading.
Ooh,
Gotcha 6.
another one? Where?
Changing mags. Down to lethal.
Alright,
Pack-a-punch marked. Have eyes on delivered cargo contract.
I have too many sigils too. I don't need one. Hello? What do I need? That helps.
Moving here.
Get rid of this circuit real quick. So that way I'm not getting swarmed.
Hijack this shipment. I want a 5-finger discount on those Terminus guns.
Not run any slower.
Got a valuable here. Get one neutralized.
loaded Terminus LTV and they're just begging to be off-inched.
What you're offering. H1? H1. Where's what?
Terminus chopper inbound.
He's in over here. Oh, H6.
I'm reloading.
I don't know where that is. He's not showing up on the map. I don't know.
Consider me impressed, Klein. Looks like Fletcher's gonna have to find another way to keep his teams armed.
Card marked. Tossing a decoy.
Leave. I think someone is trying to get the money over there.
Marking extraction zone.
Extraction zone.
That's one alpha threat. Changing mags.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of.
I need that.
Here's a buy station.
That would be nice to have. Alright, I got tier 2 above both. I just need some perks, but I'll get some armor. I'll probably drop a sigil. In any case.
I hope our people are headed for safety, Commander.
I'm
Oh,
reloading.
I need 2 stone.
Stay ahead of that storm front. You'll be okay.
I'm gonna lose everything if I don't get 2 stone. Yeah, that's gonna be trouble. Alright, let me
Perk machine
get
available.
2 stone then. Really quick. See what I can grab. Perfect.
Moving to my mark.
hate that. They're so much faster, it's ridiculous. Oh, yep. Drop. Into the water. Safe area. They won't really get you, but they'll throw everything at you. If they have a mic, I'll probably turn mine on again, so I can communicate with them. That's unexpected. Okay. Need that. Reload. I think they're all waiting for me.
Moving.
Fine. H3. That's the same guy who said he'll give us all the money. One last res. Should be okay. Oh, we're going to tier 4. 5. Oh no. This might be rough. Like tier 3 rough. Just a little harder. Nugget. No. I swear this puppy does what she wants. Stop eating the pad. No. Mm-mm. All right. I go where they go. I would not be funding that though. 15 minutes, all we got. Not good. Not good.
Bad choice letting me here.
Yeah, this is what I mean. This is like rough. I'm already down. Beautiful. Ooh, that was close. I can't climb. I can't. Oh. I hate when they're right in front of that dang door, man. I hate that. Yes, I can use it. Thank you. Wow.
I'm reloading.
Oh. Where you at? That's 3. That's 1. Oh, okay. I'll throw this. I'm gonna drop that. Tag it.
Valuable here.
I'm gonna ping this. I'll take this. Yeah, that should be it. The next one should be over here
Moving
somewhere,
to my mark.
I think. If I remember correctly. And there should also be one by the bus. Yeah.
Cluster mine deployed. Watch your fire.
Blood money, basically. Oh, why is he here? Why is he there? Oh no. That's F. A big F right there. That's horrible.
Throwing Molotov.
That's a big L right there. I've never seen that happen. Oh, he went down. I gotta reload. Oh, this thing's crazy. 100% crazy. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna stow that. And then I'm gonna stow it.
Loot if you need it.
Everyone doesn't need sigil anymore.
Good here.
If I could take an elder, I would take it. Alright. Worth it, worth it, worth it. Alright, hardest one after this. Should be what, over here somewhere? I think. It should be over here. If I remember correctly. The ACV or something like that. Oh, this is cool. That's really cool. Can I actually climb all? Ooh, I can. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, dope. Can I just stay up here? Could I?
Hostiles spotted. Cancel my last. Got the vacuum heavy here.
Oh, if I go too high, it will damage me though.
They're heavy here.
I'm not doing anything.
Go there. Target marked.
Oh, this is a perfect time to pack 3 right now. Perfect time. A great time right now.
Vacuum marked.
We're doing very good right now. I hope there's not a big dude coming in. I really hope. This thing's crazy. Doing very good for 5 people, I can tell you that. Oh, there it is. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Oh, he went down. I went down. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Wow. Guess someone wants this.
Got the valuable here.
Alright, we gotta get out of here.
Moving to my mark. Changing back. Undertaker drop. Good loot here. Got your six.
I don't need any of these. Not gonna matter. Alright. GG. That was interesting. That was fun.